I'm Chris Vintinner. I'm a product manager here at Distech Controls for our Eclypse Facilities software.
And myself, Kevin Ridder, product manager for what we have here is our hardware offering for controllers and displays that we'll see just in a bit. So what you're seeing here is really our updated Eclypse controller platform that runs the Eclypse Facilities operating system. We got everything from our Apex building controller all the way down to our new equipment controllers that include the 600, the 400, and soon to be released 100, 200, and 300 series controllers. All these are based on a modular platform that allows us to really offer flexibility, offer modularity, and a package that responds to our customers' needs. And gives them the flexibility really to use them in retrofit, new construction applications where maybe there might be more particularity to how they're being applied. So as you can see here, some of the models, most of the models have options with screens. Some of them are without screens with a higher temperature range of application. And then what you're not seeing is that everything here is in fact software configurable, which ties into what Chris will talk about in a bit, and how you can really remotely access them and configure them the way you need without needing to be on site with them in your hands. Okay, so we have everything here from equipment control, and then of course you're seeing our ECY Stat, which is our thermostat that does rooftop, fan coil, and zone control applications that is also running the Eclypse Facilities operating system.
Move over here towards the displays.
And then over here, right beside Chris, as you can see, we have our new Eclypse display series that goes from 10, 15 to 21 inch. And this is a completely redesigned equipment display package. Again, with a modular approach that really provides much more performance for showing equipment graphics, for showing floor plans and all kinds of central plant control applications. And then we even have our Eclypse command app that gives you access to points and just a simple interface for doing overrides and control of your equipment. Chris?
Yeah. And so this software is our next generation of our Eclypse software. We originally came out with our first controllers with our first operating system for Eclypse 2015. So at this point, we've achieved the feature parity or even enhanced functionality with Eclypse Facilities, the next generation, but the capabilities are much bigger. With Eclypse Facilities, we really focus on that's control, connect, and visualize, what you see here. On the control side, Eclypse Facilities still supports all of the tooling that our customers are familiar with. ECGFX programming, our programming software, Express Network Utility. In addition to that, for connectivity, we support all the typical building OT protocols that you expect: Modbus, BACnet, BACnet IP, BACnet SC, MBus as well, but also support more IoT type connectivity. So we have, of course, a full RESTful API, MQTT support. In addition, every single Eclypse Facilities controller has embedded cloud connectivity to our Atrius Cloud platform. So really, really powerful next generation software running in all of our devices, from our displays down to our thermostats. We're really excited about the future with our Eclypse controllers and our facility software.
So we can't forget, Chris, that we have at the show here, Chris and Eclypse Facilities, we're proud to say that we've won an Innovation Award for Eclypse Facilities.
And a great way to celebrate our 30-year anniversary at Distech Control.
Well, again, we're at this corner right now of our Distech Controls booth. We have our Resense sensor section. As you can see on the top here, it's our Resense Move sensor. Soon to be released, it's a people counting sensor, but also a 7-in-1 sensor. So we've got an AI algorithm embedded in this technology that really is able to distinguish people and count them in a space. So you can really fine-tune occupancy detection and demand control ventilation in occupied spaces in buildings. And this is fully running Eclypse Facilities software. On the right-hand side here, you're seeing our updated sensor platform. We have our Resense Air display. Resense Air display is actually a revamp of an existing product that you might know called the EC Smart View. In fact, these are retrofittable to the Smart View and can be used on existing installations. Benefit there is really you get an updated sensor with improved navigation and capabilities without needing to update your controller or the programming in that controller. So those are new products that we have here at display, and these are all products that will be available from Distech in the coming months. So thank you for visiting at Distech Controls this year. We got plenty of new innovative technology on display.
Hardware and software combined together.
And sensors all together. So you were very excited for the continuation of the show, and
Thank you.
come pay us a visit if you have time. Please visit distechcontrols.com for information on all these new products, or reach out to your local representative for more details.